Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time seeing me on your screen, welcome. My name is Modupe and you're welcome to Life with Madams. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first time you're seeing me on your screen, welcome. My name is Modupe, aka Madams, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my filming space. I know nobody asked for it, but I actually wanted to show you guys because I think I've done quite well for myself because it's pretty, it does the job, you know, it's a good background. So, and I've had some people who have actually told me to do this because it looks pretty. So it's not like nobody asked me. Some people actually asked me. So I'm going to be showing you guys my filming space and how I did it and how I brought the whole vibe and look together. And if you like to see this, then definitely keep on watching. So as you guys can see, there's so much going in the background, and I have like my wall full of prints here. I have my shelf here, and I have my bag here. So the way I basically brought this room together, just obviously I knew I wanted a plain white background, and I knew I wanted what's it called, a feature wall that shows some different prints. And actually these prints are actually from Disenyo, apart from this one. It's not sponsored anyway, I wish. I got all these prints from Disenyo, and I got this from Shein. I think it's either Shein or one of those other websites, because I was looking, I didn't want everything to be filled with just black and white. I just wanted a pop of color, so I just got this plant one for just pop that green vibe, you know, green scenery here. And as you can see, the frames are actually not fitting because I'm still trying to find a perfect frame for this frame. I got from Power Shop because I just needed it to work so that I could start filming and I wouldn't have anything to delay me because I'm looking for a frame. So all these prints are from Disenyo, and I got the frames from ASOS because I just felt like the frames on Disenyo are so expensive for just a frame. You get what I mean? So I got this from ASOS. And also, as you guys can see, I have a travel frame right here because I love to travel. This one says beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself, which is true. And also another thing that says wanderlust, a strong desire for or impulse to travel or wander and explore the world. I mean, I said explore the world, which is what I do. And it says here, your mind is a powerful thing. When you put it with positive stuff, your life starts to change. So good things basically are just vibes going on around here, which is what I love. So I like the fact that I can film at different angles in my room. I can film here facing this way when I sit on this chair, or I can film here facing this way when I, you know, put my back against this wall and you can see the shelf. And this chair here, I actually got the chair from Donelm, and it was actually one of the last one I got because I was like, oh, I obviously need a chair to sit down when I wanted to sit down or talk videos. And I got this chair from Donelm. I got this cushion from AliExpress actually, but the cushion cover is from AliExpress. It's nice, it's furry. I've got some of it on my bed as well, and it came really late, to be honest. And the cushion itself I got from Ikea. It's the basic Ikea cushion, and then I just love it. The cushion cover makes it very, very fluffy and it's so pretty. I just put it on my chair here. When I was like starting my room, I knew I wanted, you know, grey, white and black, so I made it possible. This was actually very last thing I found, and I'm so happy I found this chair because it pretty goes with the vibe. On this side you can see I have a shelf here. I put basically my bags, and yeah, basically it's just my bags are on this side. And on the top corner here I have this fake orchid plant because the first time I got a plant like this, it was real and it died, and I was sad because I didn't know how to keep it because it looked pretty, and I was sad it died. So I decided to get a fake one, and I got this one from Ikea. Also I have a card. It was given to me when I finished my uni, and it says nailed it because if you've been to uni you know the struggle. And yeah, it's very pretty. I just decided to display it here, and I also got my speaker. You know, it's a good position to, you know, surround the room with sound, and I just have it here. I've got this print here as well. I think it's from Shein as well. I'm not really sure, but everything I'm saying here will be in the description box, so if you guys want to get anything for yourself, just pop in the description box and you'll find it there. And if I can't find it there, because some of the things I got were from B&M, and I don't think they deliver to your house, so you have to go to the store, but you get the idea. This is actually from Shein. Like I said, this A5 frame is from Pound Shop. I need to get a proper A5 frame, so if you guys know where I can get a very good one, because when I went to Asda I couldn't find this shape there, so I'm just using this for now. So that's it. I have it here, and it's just, what's it called, an abstract. I like it. It's just an abstract going on here. It's just random. I just like the vibe, to be honest. That's this side. I have all my bags. My bags are not that interesting. They're just like Mango, ZARA random places, but yeah, they're not that interesting. They're just my normal bags. And on this side, actually, let me put this down. As you guys can see, this shelf I actually really much like. I have like 3 different shelves here, and I have it in different shapes and size. No, actually different sizes, not shapes. I don't know what's going on here. And this bulb right here, it's actually lights up, but I don't turn it on because what's the point? But I turn it on when I want to get this vibe in my room, because I have like different fairy lights in my room. I have it here, I have it on my dressing mirror, I have it by my bed, so it just gives me that, serenade everything. So I have this bulb here. I got it from B&M as well. It's very cute. When I showed my friend this, she absolutely loved it, and I got one for her. I got this like last year, so I don't know if they will still have it, but definitely check into B&M often. You'll find it here. And this is just a diffuser. I got this from TK Maxx, and that's this Paris thing. I think I got this from Paris actually, so I just decided to display it here. So it's basically like a little souvenir, because I've been to Paris and I love Paris. It's like one of my favorite cities. Here I have my art. So if you're not following me on Instagram or Twitter, or if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to Lifewithmodamz. She's fun, she's cute, she's pretty. So subscribe, guys, because your girl is trying to hit 1K. Subscribe to my channel, guys. I just put my art here because it's nice. It's a very good display. It just shows my brand. And whenever I do a video, you can kind of see it, so it kind of sticks to your head that this channel is called Lifewithmodamz. And if you're not following me on my Instagram, everywhere, it just basically it's a form of branding. I just love it. You can put anything you want on it, but I just decided to put Lifewithmodamz. And I got this from Matalan, and I actually thought it was bigger than this, but when I said it was smaller, I was like, that's alright. It actually fits the shelf. And this side, I've got my Polaroid. Smile for the camera. I literally just added this case like 2 weeks ago. This case actually makes it very vintagey, and I love it. Is vintagey a word? But I love it. I have the Instax Mini 70, and this was a birthday gift. I love it that it's white and grey, because I actually made an Excel spreadsheet for the gifts I wanted, and I got the white and grey one. And this is a very cute souvenir I got when I went to Portimao in Portugal. I'm going to start collecting this now, because the only thing I collect when I travel is fridge magnets, which I think is kind of boring. This is cute, and it's such a cute way to display it here. And if we move on back onto this side, you can see that I've got a frame as well. It says peace on it. It just says peace, and it says freedom from disturbance, tranquility, mental or emotional calm, free from strife, which is what everyone should get in this life, peace. I printed this online actually, because I was going to get from the same, so I was like, what's the point? I could just print it online. And I got this frame from Pound Shop. Literally, it was 2 for £1, because I've got another one displayed on my dresser, and it works really well. And also on this side, I have this cute little plant. They're actually like, I think I've got 1, 2, 3 fake plants in my room. I wanted to get a big one, guys. Should I get a massive real plant here? Because I was just thinking, if I get one here, then it's kind of distract the old thing going up here. Is it that I put it here, or I put it on this side of the room? Where do you guys think I can put my fake plant? What do you think? Anyway, this one I got from Pound Shop, and it was just £1, and it was already spray painted white, so it was just perfect. Like when I was trying to bring my room together, I was just popping into Pound Shop, B&M, Ikea, like all the time to see what I could get. And I was also watching videos on YouTube, and I was looking at Pinterest to kind of give me an idea of what I would get. So it looks really cool. So guys, I forgot to show you the actual equipment I record on. As you can see, it's a Sony camera, and it is the A6000 Alpha 6000, and I just used the kit lens that comes with it. And as you guys can see, it's got a camera, it's got a microphone on top, and the microphone actually I got it separately, it doesn't come with the camera. And it's called the hot shoe microphone. It's made by Sony. It actually does work really well. And then it has a let me show you guys. It has a zoom and a off and a gun button that you can use. I actually just keep it to the gun because it only works on the gun, it doesn't work on the zoom. So this is how the camera looks, and I'm actually thinking of upgrading because this viewfinder doesn't go all the way up and I can't see myself when I'm recording. So I'm thinking of upgrading to the A6 4000 because I'll be able to see myself, and then it's just better. And also guys, for the ring light, I use a basic ring light. It's called the newer ring light. There's so many on Amazon, but if you guys want my one, I would just put the link in the description box for you. It's just a basic ring light, and it's this. Vlogging guys, I use this Sony camera. I don't know what name it is. It was the cheapest camera that could flip over because I didn't want to use my phone, so I got it from Corey's, and then I'll put the link in the description as well. And then I use this tripod, I got it from Amazon. Everything will be in the description box, and you just mount on it. And I love this camera because I can flip the screen and I can see myself. I was gonna get the one that everyone gets that is for vlogging, but they said it's bad, that it breaks a lot. But this one is insured. I just need to get the settings right because sometimes my videos are clear, sometimes they're not clear, so I just need to get the settings right, and then I feel like I'll be good with this because this camera is quite good. And this is what I use for vlogging, and I'm also going to show you guys my other two lights. You guys can see it's so bright in here because I use these two studio lights when I'm filming to help me with this ring light. Before I usually use this ring light, but then when I got the studio light, everything became better. I'm going to link this one in the description box as well. So basically these studio lights are right behind me, and then this ring lights are right behind me, and then I record in front of this place. And basically that's how everything is, guys. I'll just put all my equipment in the description box so you guys can see, and that's all the tea about my filming. So guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you would like to see something detailed that I didn't mention, just let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a bit of my room, and this is basically where I film my stuff and film my content for you guys. So I hope you guys like this video, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel, please thumbs up for more videos like this. And if there's anything you guys can see in my background that I haven't mentioned, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely let you know where it's from. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to share with your friends, don't forget to thumbs up this video, and also subscribe. It's free, literally. It's literally at the bottom, the red button here. It's free. You get updates when I upload a new video, and you also get updates when I'm gonna drop a new video. And also follow me on my social media pages. It's Lifewithmodamz on Insta and Lifewithmodamz on Twitter. Basically branding, guys. Lifewithmodamz everywhere. That's the end of today's video, and if you guys have liked it, enjoyed it, like I said, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye my loves.